Hi guys, we've just returned from another trip and I'm sure quite a lot of you have had this before. You get a stone chip in your windscreen. So I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you how simple it is to use this Fix-It windscreen repair kit, and I'll show you the results on how to fix a chip. To win this kit that you can pick up from any automotive store, I got this one from Autobarn, but Supercheap's got it, or Repco. You get these very easy to follow instructions. The applicator for filling chips, there's a Stanley knife blade there to scrape off the excess, a bottle of resin, and the curing pads. So this kit can do multiple repairs. You can fill cracks or chips. In my case, we're just filling a chip. So let's see how it goes. So step one, clean the area with a dry towel. Give a bit of a wipe there, get any bug guts or anything out of it. Then simply attach the applicator to the windscreen, centering the center hole over the chip, like so. Simple as that. Then you screw in this next piece, and you screw it down till it just touches the glass, because that's where you're going to put your resin in. That's down there onto the windscreen. Very simple. Then we squeeze 3 to 6 drops of resin down into the crack. Oh, there's heaps in there now. And then you screw this thing in gently, and that'll force the resin down into your chip. There is a thread in there. Screw it down till it goes firm. And it doesn't matter if the resin comes out across the windscreen, because we're going to scrape it off at the end anyway. But this is forcing it down into the chip to try and make a flawless repair. So I've left that for 10 minutes. So now it's as simple as remove the entire applicator from the windscreen. Just use a razor blade to release these suction caps. There we go. So that comes off. Then we just apply. You can see the chips basically nearly disappeared. But you just apply a little bit more resin on top of where you've done it, and if there's any cracks that you can see protruding from the chip, because the resin will fill it in and make them disappear basically. So just put a few drops on, and then one of these applicator strips, curing strips, sorry. Just place it on top, and then give it another 10 or 15 minutes to dry. When you go to pull that curing piece off, if the liquid underneath is still wet, we'll then put it back on and wait for it to dry. It should harden completely. And once it's hardened, then we can scrape off the excess with a razor blade, and we'll see the results. So it's been about 10-15 minutes, so we'll remove the curing strip and see what the results are. So as you can see, as I've removed it, the resin has all gone white underneath, which is what it's meant to do. That means it's hardened. And then we just come along with the razor blade and we simply scratch off the excess. You can be relatively rough with the razor blade on the glass. It won't scratch or anything if you when you're doing this. But yeah, and the excess resin should come off in big flaky white bits like it is. If you're really neat and tidy at doing the job in the first place, you wouldn't have as much excess to remove. But if you're like me and you're an amateur, there's a fair bit there to be removed. So I've scraped all the excess off with a razor blade. Now I'm just giving the area a wipe just to remove all those flaky bits. Like I said, if I took a bit more time in the early stages and not let the resin run everywhere, it wouldn't have taken so long to clean that up. But anyway, it's all fine, it'll come off. So this is not like a plug in a tyre. This is not a temporary fix, this is a permanent fix. So once you've done this, you don't need to then go and get the windscreen replaced or anything like that. It is a permanent fix. It is just as strong as the windscreen itself, and look at the results. You cannot, I can't see that chip anywhere. None of the star like points that were coming off the side are visible. So that's a pretty good repair, I reckon. So yeah, worthwhile carrying one of those you fix it windscreen repair kits around in your four-wheel drive, and you could do this on the side of the track, in the bush, anywhere, for a chip or for a big crack right across the windscreen. It's the same sort of method. Very simple to do. I've taken my time. It's been about half an hour, but that's a very good repair. So hope you learnt something from that, guys, and enjoy. See ya.